Hey, it's Brian here with Portable Generator Services. Have you been wanting to get a generator and you want one that can power your whole house, but you don't want to spend $15,000? What if I told you that for around $2,000 fully installed, you could power one of your central air conditioning units? All of your outlets, all of your fans, your refrigerators, your TVs. You would have available power in every single room. What you can't do would be powering your AC, plus your oven, plus your water heater. You can't do all three. You would juggle it. If you needed to turn on the water heater, you're gonna turn the AC off, you'll turn the water heater on, let it get hot, turn the water heater off, go ahead and turn the AC on. Now, even better, what if I told you that the generator was dual fuel? You could have liquid propane or gasoline, and you can use either or. Everyone's going to propane. Reason being, no fumes. The propane lasts 20 years. So if you don't use it during the hurricane season, you don't have to get rid of it like you do gasoline. It does not clog your system like gasoline does. I had 300 jobs last year and 280 of them were gasoline problems. Better for the environment, better for your generator. It burns cleaner. So keep that in mind. Around $2,000, you're gonna spend around $1,000, give or take, on the generator. You will most likely end up with around a 11,000 to 13,000 watt generator, and it includes the full install. You would have a 50 amp outlet, which will look something like this. It's up to code. You will have an interlock kit so that you cannot backfeed and kill linemen or blow up your appliances. You're gonna have one of those, and this install is outside. A lot of them, you're gonna have that in your garage where your panel is in the garage. That'll be installed right under your panel. You would plug in the generator cord to that outlet, the other end to your generator, have your propane tank hooked up to the generator, turn it on, and you're running for however long you decide to purchase the propane tank. The bigger size you get, the longer runtime you get. A regular grill propane tank is gonna get you a little under 1 day of runtime. And that all depends. It depends on what you're running. Are you running your AC the whole time? Do you have everything on the whole time? You're gonna burn more fuel. Keep that in mind. If you have any questions, give me a call or shoot me an email. I'm the owner of Portable Generator Services. We are Florida's highest rated generator business. Customer service is our main priority. Check our reviews out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.